Chapter 13 Bankruptcy. If you're experiencing financial hardship because the income you receive is not enough to pay your monthly bills, you should consider filing for Chapter 13 Bankruptcy. Chapter 13 is a form of bankruptcy in which a consumer consolidates their existing debts into one monthly bill that is paid to a bankruptcy trustee. Unlike Chapter 7 bankruptcy, borrowers will not be required to sell their assets as a condition of the bankruptcy. Chapter 13 can provide the financial relief you need and give you a fresh start without the risk of a bankruptcy court ordering you to sell any of your valuable property. While Chapter 13 bankruptcy does offer many benefits, it may not be a good fit for everyone. There are many other alternatives that may provide better relief that should be considered before filing for Chapter 13. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation with a Tampa bankruptcy attorney at our firm. We will carefully review the details of your case and fully explain all of the options available that can help alleviate your financial burden. If you feel Chapter 13 is the best fit for your needs, we can manage your bankruptcy case from start to finish to protect your rights and help ensure a smooth, efficient Chapter 13 filing. Benefits of a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Chapter 13 is especially beneficial to borrowers who are facing foreclosure and do not want to lose their home or other assets. When a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is filed, it will immediately stop all foreclosure and other debt collection activities. Chapter 13 can even allow you to get your driver's license reinstated if it has been suspended due to unpaid parking tickets. Furthermore, our bankruptcy lawyers have helped many clients discharge their debt under Chapter 13 after only paying creditors a small percentage of the amount owed. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy Payment Plan. When a borrower files for Chapter 13, they will be required to comply with a court-supervised payment plan. The payment plan outlines how a borrower's disposable income will be used to pay the debts included in the bankruptcy. Disposable income is calculated by deducting a borrower's expenses and cost of living from the income they receive. The Chapter 13 payment plan will usually require a borrower to pay all of their disposable income for the next 3 to 5 years towards the debts included in the bankruptcy. If the borrower complies with the terms of the bankruptcy, any balance still due on credit cards and other unsecured debt at the end of the bankruptcy will be discharged. Chapter 13 Eligibility Requirements. To be eligible for Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you must meet the rigid requirements prescribed under bankruptcy law. To qualify for Chapter 13, your unsecured debts must be less than $383,175, and your secured debts must be less than $1,149,525. Secured debts are loans that have collateral, such as car loans and mortgages. In addition, your payment plan must provide that your creditors receive as much as they would have if you filed for Chapter 7 instead of Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Determining eligibility for Chapter 13 can be complex and requires a thorough understanding of bankruptcy law. To see if you qualify for Chapter 13 bankruptcy, contact us to speak with a bankruptcy lawyer at our firm. Florida Law Advisors is dedicated to providing effective representation, individual attention, and affordable fees to our bankruptcy clients. All of our initial consultations are free, and convenient payment plans are always available. Florida Law Advisors is a customer service-oriented firm with a strong reputation for providing personalized attention and dedicated legal counsel. Regardless if you need help with Chapter 13, Chapter 7, or other debt relief, our professional legal team will provide you with competent legal advice you can trust.